Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode here at the former Parker Performance. This is a former Parker Performance, but we, as in Parker Performance, Zach, Parker, myself, we can still work here on our own cars. So today, we're working on Marceline. Today's goals are to at least put one of these on for the front, and we have a bunch of maintenance to do and hook up the there we go, and hook up the E85 kit. So we'll see how that goes. So the first thing we have to do is take the front bumper off and take the intercooler off, and you'll see once the bumper's off what exactly I'm talking about as far as maintenance is concerned. So let's go and get started. Let's see, as you guys can kind of see here, this bit was already painted, but you can see here there's some rust coming through. So my thinking process is, or even down here, we're going to take the intercooler off, sand some of that down, and the intercooler also has to move up, which, looking at this now, there's no way that's going to happen, which sucks. But I might be able to put no, that's gonna have to be a really short nut, which isn't gonna work either. Well, maybe it'll work, we'll have to see. For the tow hook, because my memory had me thinking that the whole crash bar was gone, not that there was a cutout made into it. So if we have the tow hook, we could put it here and put a nut behind it. That could work, which has to be big enough with some washers. So let me go ahead and figure this out. And looks like I'm gonna be on lunch duty today. So okay, so we came back from the store, got the hardware that we need. So goal is to mount it here, like so, cut a hole in the bumper, and have it hanging out. And that should be enough still, integrity wise, for everything to work properly. So let's see if that works. What we did, we took the bolt, fed it through the back. For that, what I had to do was lower one of the intercooler brackets, which, as you can see, the intercooler's kind of hanging there. So this is in and threaded. Next, we're going to add the washer, then the tow hook, and then this other nut. We're going to tighten it. Now, before I do that, I should advise you, if you can see down here, oh, that's a little rusty. I'm going to go ahead and paint this black, just here and up in the corner. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten this right down. This is not supposed to look pretty. Again, it's behind the bumper. The most important part is to get the tow hook on. But I wanted to make sure that anything that had any sort of premature rust exposed to it got sanded down and got covered. So that way I don't have to worry about it in the long run. I did miss this little spot here, but that'll be something. We'll probably end up putting a crash bar on it anyway when I have to replace the intercooler. But as of right now, this is enough to get everything fixed. So now what I need to do is mount the bumper to make sure I cut this right, so that way the tow hook can come out at the right location on the front bumper. The bumper isn't fitted at all, as you can see on the corners, just loosely fitted, but you can tell that's where the tow hook should be. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is drill like here and see how close it is and try to mark everything, so that way we can start drilling the hole appropriately for the actual tow hook to come through the bumper. We have a rough area cut, which, if you look here, it fits right through, and it's enough to where no matter which direction, this will be good. So what we need to do now is clean this up, make it look more pretty. So this is the basics of it. So what we're going to do right now is head over to the new shop and clean this up. So we're here at Parker Performance, and Zacky Poo, what he's gonna do is take the Dremel, which is right here, and he's gonna use this, I think. Yeah, this makes the most sense. And he's gonna cut a perfect rectangle. So let's cut to that. There we go.
Pretty damn close.
Pretty damn close to perfect. It's fine.
Molding on it, that little plastic shit.
Right. There we go. Looks good. Thank you. Now to finish this off, what's going to happen today, we're going to add like a rubber molding to it. And then she'll be done. Short little video, all this little stuff at the new shop, Parker Performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember guys, it's not over until you win. See you guys next time.
Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're going to do, actually when you get it, you're going to have this retaining clip will be on here. You need